Hey, if you've ever been to a rod run, or if you've seen our rod run videos, have you ever checked out a Cars and Coffee event? Man, if you've not subscribed to our channel, you better go ahead and do so right now.
We are here. So
We are at Cars and Coffee in Knoxville, April 24th,
That's right.
2022, and there are tons of people, and we have the most excellent footage for you guys. Rod Run, you thought that was cool? This is like 10 million times
insane.
cooler. Trust
Porsches,
me.
Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and did we mention Camaros?
Woo!
We got the Camaro Club here.
Yes, our club.
Everybody, so many people came out and represented. Hello to all the new friends, hello to all the old friends, and all of you that are subscribing today. Yeah, you get to join us. This is great. You get to see Christy and Braden and I, and thank you all for tuning in. We really appreciate it. And leave a comment. Where are y'all from? Have y'all come out here to Cars and Coffee before? Have you ever been to one of the events? What's your favorite part about the event? We want you to leave a comment, let us know. I'd like to hear about it. Have you ever been to Cars and Coffee in your area? If you've not, listen, you got to look up, have in your area put together a Cars and Coffee event. We come to these every year. They put it on, the good folks at Harper Auto Square. We've got our car club here today, and there's probably, I would guess, 2,000,
Someone said 100,000 people.
100,000 people. So if you like the rod run, definitely watch this video.
Yes, you will love it, trust me.
Definitely. Talk to you soon.
Absolutely, for sure. I am telling you, you can go to any event across the planet. You're not going to run into nothing come close to a Cars and Coffee event. Hey, let me know. Check in and leave a comment and let me know. Have you ever been to Cars and Coffee in your area? Have you guys ever thought of starting a Cars and Coffee? Well, thanks to Shannon and the good folks over at Harper Auto Square, we have one about 3 times a year. As you can see here, I mean to tell you the cars are packed coming in. Now, I'm going to let you just know real quickly, and I'm going to let you enjoy this video, narrate a little bit of it, and let you hear the sights and sounds of it. But I will tell you, if you stay to the end of the video, you will hear the actual sights and sounds of all the Cars and Coffee members coming in. Maybe you'll find your car, so watch till the end. You never know. We got pretty much all of them. And as you can see right there, our Camaro Club was represented by over 20 cars that showed up. East Tennessee Camaro Club. If you have a Camaro, you're welcome to join. If you love Camaros, welcome to do so. But this was early morning. We all staged our cars early, got in right before the sun came up, and they just kept packing in and packing in and packing in. Just about every type of car you could ever imagine. McLarens, Audis, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris. The truckster, yeah, you heard me right. The truckster was there. Good Lord, Camaros, GTs. I mean, you wouldn't believe it. 300ZXs, Datsun 280ZXs, 240s, 260s. I've seen everything. The cool thing about having a little drone perspective is, don't they look like the world's largest collection of little Matchbox cars? Come on, look at them. You know you're all thinking the same thing I am. Look at the little Matchbox cars, right? Well, listen. Thank you for tuning in to We Review You. We're a channel all about pulling up local reviews of the area. And as we watch the sun come up in our Knoxville, welcome to our channel. Stick around because we plan on reviewing lots of things like this. Maybe you saw a rod run. Well, this is a most incredible event. And I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so I don't know about y'all, but man, you can find just about everything. And even though we love our Chevy Camaros, I mean, when you see these beautiful old things, I mean, more cars than you could ever shake a stick at, all represented side by side. Just a bunch of car lovers. Oh man, enjoy.
I just thought it'd be cool to just go look at the line, but if there's... Oh yeah.
Oh my yes. 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 But yeah, look behind you. Passing.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, maybe leave a comment and let me know, are you watching for your car? Take a watch. Maybe you'll find your car in the video.
That's the cops. That's the cops. The gendarmeries.
We're in for it now. Really.
Oh, you're good. Yes. Now that's yeah, that's it. That's the B and C team right there. There it is. Look at that.
Yeah.
I love it. That's the car, man. I remember those. The car. The car. Thank you.
Oh, there's the Chevy bus. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, someone coming on.
I'll get my drone to go up there.
No, do this for now.
What's his target? Right now. More Dodgers. Uno, dos, tres.
Yeah, so you probably come to realize, probably not seen a video like this in a while, have you? I hope you guys really appreciate this because we love our cars. We love our people, so I'm really trying to build up this channel, folks. So if you know somebody likes cars, likes content, maybe like, share, subscribe, and maybe let somebody know, hey, check out this channel. Try to bring some pretty cool content. We like to review, bring it live for you guys, so enjoy. We're almost at our Camaro Club representation, so again, just to let you know real quickly, as you're watching these people come and go, we were right on the front row there as we got there, represented by over 20 of our Camaro Clubs. So East Tennessee Camaro Club, you know who you are. That's my Camaro right there. My son's Camaro to the right of me, the Super Sport. About 18 of our members and their family that showed up. Well represented, so check it out. Have you found a favorite yet? It's kind of hard to find one, isn't it? Well, I'll tell you a quick little story. My friend Mike has this Rolls Royce you see it coming up in the view. One of our local news crew was covering Channel 10. My friend Rebecca Sweet there, local weather young lady there. And our friend Mike. And just a quick little story. That guy's been waiting to get that car for over 8 years. Had to go all the way up to Chicago and pick it up. And that's his baby, and it is one of the coolest cars you've ever seen. And do me a favor, don't ask him to sit in it. I walked over and joked with him again, because each year for the last 3 years, we always joke about how many people walk up and say, hey, do you mind if I sit in your car? And you'll get a a pretty significant response from him if you do. As he and I like to check about every year. So anyway, Mike, good to see you again, brother. Folks, I hope you guys are enjoying it. As we start to wind down our review, thank you so much for your support. Hope you consider a subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with others that are car enthusiasts, lovers, people like a great, good quality review. So as we leave, again, good look at our Camaro Club. And look at the wonderful Harper Auto Squares Cars and Coffee, April 24th, 2022. Y'all come back and see us again, as we say here in the South. Tune in. Stick around for a lot more. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video.